Restomod culture has taken the automotive world by storm, and Theon Design's latest creation stands as a true testament to the art of blending classic aesthetics with contemporary engineering. Their latest masterpiece, a Porsche 911 Targa, combines the timeless charm of the original with cutting-edge performance, redefining what a 911 can be. Known for their impeccable work on Porsche 964 models, Theon Design has ventured into Targa territory for the first time, unveiling a stunning signal yellow beauty that exudes retro vibes with modern performance. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine producing 407 horsepower, this bespoke 911 Targa is coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. The result is a thrilling driving experience that rivals today's most advanced sports cars. Theon's craftsmanship extends beyond aesthetics to mechanical precision. While traditional Targas are known for their flexible bodies, Theon addressed this by reinforcing the chassis with prepreg carbon fiber and Nomex honeycomb structures, providing the rigidity of a coupe. Despite the additional weight of 60 kilograms, 132 pounds compared to the coupe version, the Targa still tips the scales at just 1,228 kilograms, lighter than modern sports cars like the Toyota GR86. On the outside, the car's signal yellow finish is enhanced by carbon fiber body panels, offering a sleek, modern contrast while maintaining the classic Porsche silhouette. The iconic silver roll hoop, paired with a redesigned pop-out roof panel featuring improved sealing, adds to its retro-modern appeal. Inside, luxury meets precision with light gray touring spec seats and a high-end hi-fi system, featuring focal subwoofers that blend seamlessly into the cabin's design. Every detail reflects Theon Design's commitment to perfection. But this 911 Targa is more than just a showpiece, it's a high-performance vehicle built for driving purists. The lightweight single-mass flywheel enhances engine response, while the finely tuned suspension and powerful brakes ensure exceptional handling. This Restomod is a rare gem, combining the best of old-school charm and new-school engineering, making it a must-have for true enthusiasts. With a base price of $650,000 plus the cost of a donor car, the Targa is not for the faint of heart, but for those willing to invest, it offers a driving experience like no other. For those fortunate enough to own one, this Targa is more than just a car, it's a statement of passion, precision, and artistry. With limited commissions available, this Restomod is set to become a sought-after collectible, representing the pinnacle of craftsmanship. Theon Design has proven that even the most iconic designs can be reimagined, maintaining their essence while elevating them to new heights.